तो आमगेलो कलीग आज जेन्ना तो आमगेलो कलीग आज एक दूख जाता कित्याक कलीग म्हणतो ज्या पद्दतीन ताका ओडून हाडलो स्टेप्सांतल्यान ओडून हाडलो आनी ज्या पद्दतीन जे ट्रिटमेंट ताका दिलें आज तो गोंयकारा पासत आनी तो एक फायटर गोंयकारा पासत मुखार झुजता सदांच झुजता आज पासून तो उदो पिनासलो बट तेगे आईन तेका सांगलें दोतोर ऑस्करान सांगलें की इट इज लायक अ व्हेरी क्रिटिकल सिट्युएशन कॅनॉट प्ले विथ समन्स लायफ डेफिनेटली ही इज बीन एडवायज लॉट ऑफ ब्लड टेस्ट LFT, AFT, CBC, all these blood tests are being conducted. Then one other reports will come, but he's been advised to take an intravenous drip immediately. That is what is going to happen. And it is sad that this government is completely ruthless. Ruthless in the sense they are not worried even if people are dying. Ruthless, you see today Omport Morcha it was the people who guided it. The Krodh Lokamani leader, Lokshahin leader has to follow the people. Today people of Goa are fed up with this Bharatiya Janata Party. They are fed up with the policies and I am quite sure that in days to come you will see that this type of protest will rise and people will go the next future direction.
तुम्ही सीएमाकडे पर्सनली उलोवपाक ट्राय करतले ह्या
No. उलोवपाचो प्रयत्न जायना. Human grounds and he had to come and see Viresh. He's our colleague. We are in the same assembly. So CM को बोले नान fight with him. We have to basically he had to come. No, so the next step, whatever we come, demands are not met. Then 39A and that those demands need to be met. So what is the next step when they decide? We will take the next step.
युरी लास्ट क्वेश्चन म्हटल्यार जेन्ना तुम्ही सगळे प्रोटेस्टंट जेन्ना राणीच्या घराकडे गेले विश्वजिताच्या घराकडे गेले तेन्ना सीएमान सांगलें की तेजी सेफ्टी आपल्याची फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी म्हणून तेणेन थंयसर हे करून
अरे लोकांली सेफ्टी असता थिंगा एल्डरली बायल आहल्यो थिंगा देर वॉज नो टॉयलेट प्रोविजन देर वॉज नो people didn't get their tablets. They were senior citizens. So the people were asked what they need to do. As I said right from the start, this is not any political movement. It's the people's movement. And people decided what to do. And it is a duty also of us as legislators to take care of the people.
ती सेफ्टी पुन्हा हांगासर विरेज जेन्ना हांगासर स्कूल तेगेले हेल्थ कंडिशन सारकी नाशिल्ले तेजे कंडिशनाक सीएम हांगासर येवन ताका मेळूंक नाशिल्लें
मागीर मग दोतोर मरे तो दोतरान येवपा न्हू थिंगा बरना जाल्यार पेशंटू कितें आयिल्लें ना
रातची 12:30 जाले जो मोर्चो आझाद मैदाना वयल्यान प्रोटेस्ट आसलो तो विश्वजीत राणे जो TCPचे मिनिस्टर ताजे बंगल्यार गेल्लो आनी जेन्ना लोकांनी थंय निर्णय घेतलो थंयच बसपाचें जेन्ना विरेश बोरकार हो हांगर स्ट्रायकाक बसलो आज 4थो दीस तरी पूण तेजे हेल्थ हालावली म्हणून लोकांनी सगळें हांगसर हें केलें मुख्यमंत्री सांगता प्रॉपर फोरमाच्यान डिस्कशन करचें आनी ताजेर एज अ LOP म्हणून तुमची कमेंट
प्रॉपर फोरम म्हणून जेन्ना हें बील हाडलें त्या वेळार आमी हें बील ओपोज केल्लें म्हणजे जेन्ना म्हाका दिसता बाब नॅन्सी उबान वयलो 7 MLA had gone in the way to oppose this particular bill. The proper forum for legislators is the assembly. The proper forum that Firdin Bab Ribello, Chief Justice, has given us a bill drafted to all the MLAs, which on the very first day I have put it through the proper forum and given it to the legislature secretariat to basically for it to come in the assembly. Now, ह्या सरकाराची प्रथा आहा आमी कितले बिल गायल्यो ही प्रथा आहा वेटिंगाच्या नांवान ते बिलांय न्ही. So what is the proper forum? Today this was the proper forum. This is the public. This is just, I believe, like a trailer to tell this government that people today are agitated. People don't play with the temper of Goinkars. People are frustrated on their policies, on the way they have handled the situation as well. Thank God there was no law and order situation. But एक ओब्रिगान मुखेलमंत्री आसपाचो जो डेकोरमाचो उलयता डेकोरम जरी तो सारको आहलो जाल्यार तेमगेलो they would have come, visited. Today the collector you could see had come. All these days he was not there. And when his health was deteriorating, I think it was a call that his mother took on behalf of him. He was not listening. And it went to this extent because of this Bhrasht Jumla party.
गोंयचो मुख्यमंत्री ह्या नात्यान हेड ऑफ ह्या स्टेटीचो ताणें हांगसर आज 4था दीस विरेश बोरकाराक येवपाक जाय आशिल्लें पळोवपाक.
येल ना न्हू तो, दॅट इज द सॅड पार्ट. येल ना कसले म्हाका दिसता जे डिमांड गेले PI जो आमी टर्मिनेट करपाक लायलो त्याच PIक थिंगा मोर्चा आमकां आडावपाक पोतून धाडलो, त्याच मनशाक आमी सांगलें तेका तेंच्यान काड मो तेका जो पणजेचो PI आहा. लूक एट दी ओडेसिटीज, दॅट सेम PI वॉज केप्ट. सो दीस BJP गव्हर्मेंट इज ओन्ली ऑफ क्रोनी कॅपिटलिस्ट. तांकां फक्त हे दिल्लीचे वर्मान शर्माचे पडोन गेला आनी दे हॅव टेस्टेड द पेशन्स ऑफ गोंयकार. आनी हेज मुखार हेज्या पाड जातलें जोरी तर हेमी हे कायदे बदलना, जोरी तर हे फक्त भायले लोकांचे चिंतपाक लागले जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता हेज मुखार गोंय आनी गोंयकार उठ्ठले आनी पेट्टले.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.